David Gay from Help Desk, and we're going to show you how to repair these little microphones for your classroom. First off, on here there's 3 buttons. There's the up volume, down volume, and power button. And right here is your sensor. This is the most important part. Now what you need to do is you need to grab a chair and you need to go above your projector. So if we get up on our chair and go above the projector, you'll see this little box right here. This is your microphone receiver. Now, on the microphone itself, you have to hold down the power button for 5 seconds while pointing this receiver, or this IR sensor, at the receiver. We're gonna hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll see, oh, whoops. Try it one more time. Whenever you power it off and try that again. It might not exactly be 5 seconds, but you'll see it. You'll see the left and right buttons lights start flashing back and forth, which means it's in pairing mode, just like this. There we go. And now we wait here for a moment. Now you can see it went solid. That means, if we come back down, that means that it's been paired to the second microphone in this classroom. So now you're powered on, you're not connected to the sound system yet. To do that, click the power button once. Don't hold it in, just tap it. The light will turn blue, and when the light turns blue, you're now connected to the speakers. To disconnect from the speakers, it's the same thing. Press the power button once, and then to power off the device fully, hold the power button in for 1 second. All right, thank you, and bye.